Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video we're going to show you how you can rearrange the side panel in the Avast browser. So let us dive into this. Alright, so let's launch the Avast browser and you will see the side panel here on the left hand side. So there are two ways how you can do this, guys. Option number one, you click into this button in the top right, your side panel. And yeah, from here, for example, you may disable or enable the side panel. Then you may move these elements here to change their position, as you can see, right? So for example, this merge it feature below the news and so on and so forth. The other option would be to for example, click into this button here, settings, and then you may, for example, decide which panels you would like to see in your side panel or sidebar, like the news, notes, games, utilities. That's actually it, guys. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.